We're diving deep into the fascinating world of psychology to uncover 7 surprising facts about women that you probably never knew. From unique cognitive strengths to the intricate ways emotional intelligence manifests, these insights are sure to change the way you perceive and understand the women in your life. Whether you're looking to satisfy your curiosity or gain a deeper appreciation of these psychological nuances, this video has something for everyone. So grab a seat and get ready for some eye-opening revelations that will broaden your perspective. 1. Complexity of female attraction. Female attraction is a nuanced and complex phenomenon, often misunderstood and oversimplified by societal norms. Popular culture tends to emphasize physical appearance as the primary driver of female attraction, overlooking the deeper qualities that many women value in potential partners. This misconception propagates the belief that women are predominantly attracted to physical traits, ignoring the significant role played by attributes like intelligence, social status, and emotional depth. In reality, women's attraction is shaped by a variety of factors that extend far beyond mere looks. Research has shown that qualities such as confidence, ambition, and emotional intelligence are highly attractive to women. These traits are indicative of stability and the capacity to provide emotional support, which are crucial in relationship dynamics. Unlike physical appearance, which may catch initial attention, these deeper qualities tend to have a more lasting and meaningful impact. Moreover, women's preferences are not monolithic. They vary widely based on individual experiences, cultural backgrounds, and personal values. While physical attractiveness can be an important factor, it is often the presence of these deeper qualities that sustains attraction and fosters meaningful connections over time. By understanding and appreciating the complexities of female attraction, individuals can cultivate more genuine and fulfilling relationships, moving beyond the superficial views perpetuated by societal norms. 2. Impact of hormonal cycles on communication. The impact of hormonal cycles on women's communication styles and emotional experiences is often misunderstood. Fluctuating hormonal levels, particularly during the menstrual cycle, can profoundly influence mood, cognition, and interpersonal interactions. For instance, during the ovulatory phase, when estrogen levels peak, women tend to exhibit heightened sociability, empathy, and verbal fluency. This phase fosters openness in expressing emotions and encourages deeper connections through effective communication. Conversely, in the premenstrual phase, as estrogen and progesterone decline, mood swings, increased sensitivity, and reduced stress tolerance can affect emotional regulation and decision-making. These hormonal fluctuations underscore the biological basis of mood variations and communication styles, challenging misconceptions about women being overly emotional or irrational. Recognizing these cyclical changes promotes empathy and informs more tailored approaches to communication and conflict resolution, accommodating the physiological factors that influence women's emotional responses and behaviors. 3. Effect of the color red. The impact of the color red extends beyond mere aesthetics, as it triggers significant emotional and physiological responses. Research highlights that red is associated with primal instincts such as power, dominance, and fertility, making it biologically compelling. Culturally, red symbolizes passion, confidence, and excitement, amplifying its psychological influence. When women incorporate red into their attire, they often project increased attractiveness and sexual appeal, rooted in evolutionary and cultural associations rather than coincidence. In social contexts, wearing red can enhance visibility, attracting more attention and leaving a lasting impression. This visibility shapes perceptions and interactions, influencing interpersonal dynamics. In professional settings, strategically using red can subtly bolster confidence and assertiveness, potentially affecting career perceptions and outcomes. Understanding these psychological implications underscores the importance of nonverbal communication and the subconscious cues we transmit and receive daily, illuminating how visual stimuli, like the color red, shape social behavior and relationships. 4. Diversified flirting strategy. Flirting isn't a one-size-fits-all tactic. Women employ a variety of flirting methods that differ based on personal preferences, cultural norms, and the situation at hand. These strategies range from subtle gestures like eye contact and smiles to more direct actions such as starting conversations or showing clear interest. Adaptability is key. Women adjust their approach based on the social setting, their comfort level, and how receptive the other person seems. For instance, they might begin with subtle cues to gauge interest and escalate if the signals are positive. This flexibility helps them navigate social complexities, build connections, and foster relationships effectively. Even in professional settings, flirting can be more understated but still aims to create rapport and improve interpersonal dynamics. 5. Sensitivity to voice tone. Society often overlooks the sophisticated perceptual intelligence involved in women's sensitivity to voice tone, sometimes reducing it to mere emotional sensitivity or intuition. However, women possess a remarkable ability to discern subtle variations in voice tone, which serves as a conduit for understanding emotional states, intentions, and interpersonal dynamics. This heightened sensitivity allows them to perceive nuances in communication that others might miss. For instance, the hesitation, confidence, or agitation present in someone's voice can convey underlying emotions or attitudes, significantly influencing how women interpret and respond to conversations. In personal relationships, this acute sensitivity fosters deeper understanding and connection. Women can intuitively detect changes in their partner's voice, enabling them to respond supportively or engage in constructive dialogue during disagreements. Professionally, this skill is invaluable in negotiations, leadership roles, and team collaborations, facilitating effective communication and interpersonal effectiveness. By acknowledging the importance of voice tone perception, we recognize the intricate ways in which women process and interpret verbal cues. It highlights the significance of nonverbal communication and the subtle signals that shape interpersonal relationships and social dynamics. 6. Superior emotional memory. The concept of superior emotional memory challenges the stereotype that women merely remember sentimental details. Instead, it highlights their capacity to vividly recall emotional experiences, which is crucial for empathy, communication, and relationships. This ability allows women not only to remember events, but also how those events made them feel. In personal relationships, this nuanced understanding influences their responses and interactions, fostering deeper connections. Professionally, it enhances leadership, teamwork, and decision-making, contributing to more empathetic work environments. In marketing, leveraging emotional memory helps create campaigns that resonate deeply with female consumers, acknowledging and utilizing their complex cognitive abilities for better engagement and understanding. 7. Cognitive differences and problem-solving approaches. There is a widespread misconception that cognitive abilities and problem-solving approaches are uniform across genders, neglecting the distinctive strengths and preferences that women bring to intellectual challenges. Research reveals that women often adopt problem-solving methods emphasizing collaboration, holistic thinking, and consideration of multiple perspectives. In settings requiring teamwork or collaborative projects, women excel in fostering cooperation, synthesizing diverse viewpoints, and integrating emotional intelligence into decision-making processes. Moreover, cognitive studies suggest structural and functional differences in women's brains that influence information processing, memory retention, and cognitive flexibility. These variations contribute to strengths in verbal communication, emotional intelligence, and intuitive reasoning. Recognizing these cognitive distinctions challenges stereotypes and promotes inclusivity in educational and professional settings, highlighting the value of diverse cognitive styles in fostering innovation, solving problems, and making decisions. Embracing and leveraging these differences can enhance creativity, productivity, and foster more balanced and equitable outcomes in organizations and communities.